Hey guys!
Oh my god, it feels like
Welcome back to the Our Cafe with Adults. So today we have a big group here. Special people to our lives, close friends, and more like family. So they introduce themselves. We'll start with Brian. Pag yung mga taong di nakakilala sa'yo, pag tanong, who is Brian?
Hi guys, my name is Brian. I'm 34. I am a nurse and an educator here in Australia.
And
Saray.
wait, and go Ken.
Me?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Ken.
Wow! Ang lamig ng boses.
I'm 24 plus GST. I'm 24. I'm a flight attendant and I've been in Australia. Been here
Yeah.
for 8 years now, so
Oh yeah.
waiting to get my PR.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Watch out, yeah. Hey, Kaloy.
Hello, I'm Kaloy, 35.
Talaga may kasamang age.
Yeah. Yeah, the location.
Just so they know,
Yes. Adults. Yeah.
Yeah.
Over-caffeinated adults.
Walang
Yeah.
teenage, walang underage.
Yes.
they're so young. They might think that we're teenagers.
Oo, baka sabihan niya overcaffeinated.
Bago mong hairstyle.
Kaloy, I'm 35. I'm a peds nurse specialist at Royal Children's Hospital. I just moved from New Zealand 2 or 3 years ago now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Happily living in Melbourne.
Oh, that's good to say. That's
Yeah.
good. No, not yet. So this is the first time. This is Bob. Yeah, so I keep saying Bob sa podcast ko and now she's here! So introduce yourself, love.
Matagal niya na ako na-ask na mag-join sa podcast na. Hi, my name's Maybelline. I am Chev's wife. I am a deputy health service manager at a detention center. I am also an adult. Kahit hindi mo ka. I am 5'9". Sorry, 5'11". My height. 11. Ay, 4'11 ma lang.
Ismutangkot ka siya. Ismutangkot ka. Akala mo adults tayo.
At the moment, parang lahat kami nagka-experience na magkaroon ng housemate.
I think it's not just about like housemates or friends. It's more so with everybody that I know. Even my ex-partner. Or I should have set a boundary in a sense that I should have let them know what my expectations were. Let's say, for example, sa housemate. We assume as an adult that we're also dealing with an adult. So more often than not, we always think that okay, he's gonna do that or she's gonna do that. Because if you were in their position, they would do it. Let's give a concrete example at your own home. If you're renting out a room, which most of us, like in our 30s, would have experienced maybe in our early 20s or even now. That let's say, for example, when you wash dishes, you expect them to do the same because you're an adult and you know what to do.
Okay.
But they had their own standard, they had their own set of values, which means that they would do their own thing because they're also an adult. But because you have not set the boundaries of telling them of what to do, they're just gonna do their own thing. And that sort of like triggers us to to get annoyed at some point. But you can't blame the other person on the other side as well. But you're already angry, you're already like annoyed because they're not doing the thing that you expected it to do. So going back, like I think I should have laid it out on them that this is my standard. This is what I expect you to do. And if you're not meeting my standard, then we have to talk. But because I did not have the experience prior to that, like I didn't have to share my house with somebody else, or I did not, especially with a friend, then I didn't know what to do back then. And in my head, I was just like, okay, this is what I'm going through, and I'm just feeling my feelings to the point that I go home and then you're supposed to be relaxed, but you're not.
Mm.
Because you get annoyed.
Mm.
And then you're like, oh, when is this person gonna leave my house? You
Mm.
know? So that's one of the things. Like as an adult, dealing with another adult, even though you're dealing with someone who has their own mind, you have to tell them exactly
Yeah.
what is expected of them and what you expect from them, being a housemate, being a partner, or being a friend.
Mm.
Very well said.
Okay.
I think
Pang ano ba, Miss Universe?
Yeah. Thank you. And maybe they don't have any experience as well, like
Yeah.
flatting or like having a same roommate and something like that. So they can't.
I think like okay, because I know your experience.
Mm,
I was the one renting out a room, and you were the one renting
Renting,
out somebody
yeah,
else's
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
room.
yeah,
back
yeah,
in
yeah,
the
yeah,
day.
yeah, 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 yeah. It's
Ay,
true.
ako nag-drive! Ano na ako
It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true.
So from my perspective, that was my perspective.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And then at some point, you were on the other side
Yeah.
of the rainbow.
Mm.
So what can you say being that person who was on the other side?
Yeah.
Like, what was your experience then?
Oh, on the other side.
Knowing that it did not end very well.
Yeah, yeah. I because I feel like both of us were actually adults. So also as a friend, like it I think it should have been transparent from the beginning as well. And as a friend, you actually like be honest and to be like quite upfront as well of what you actually like, to actually prevent some miscommunications and everything. And at least the expectation between what do you expect from each other and everything. I guess. Mm.
I think yung nung kabataan pa natin, it was hard for us to communicate because we didn't have the skills to do so. Hindi pa natin ma-express. Ma-express yung gusto natin sabihin. Hindi pa natin alam kung paano itakal yung ganong conversation or hindi pa natin kayang confrontations. And I think we should also take into consideration yung experiences nila in life. It could have been na yung pinanggalingan nila was so comfortable and they were so used to getting things done for them na hindi nila alam na ganito pala pag mag-isa na lang ako. Ganito na lang pala kapag may iba akong tao na kailangan i-consider. Kasi hindi nila pa yun na-experience. So, iba yung kung paano tayo pinalaki sa kung paano sila pinalaki. And I think that malaking factor din yun sa isang bahay na kung saan sila nanggaling.
Yeah.
And when you
Yeah.
said like communication wise, I feel like we don't want to disappoint that person.
Yeah.
We don't want the confrontation part of it. But in the end, it becomes a bigger
Problem at the
Later
end.
on. That's right.
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
it just sort of like builds up.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa
Nagpapalak
Yeah,
eh.
Yeah.
Nagpapalak.
You don't know how to deal with it.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
all of a sudden, you're
Yeah.
enemy with your own housemate.
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
you're enemy with your own friend.
Yeah.
And that I think is the reason why
Yeah.
I would choose not to
Mm.
share my household if
Mm.
not they're my if they're not my partner.
That's
If
right.
I don't have to.
Nung nangyayari yun sa inyo, what was the hardest part?
Same as Brian.
How would you
coming-
encounter it? Yeah.
Coming home, tired from work, and then you wanna settle in the
relax.
couch and be comfortable and just relax, and you couldn't because I don't know, the atmosphere is very heavy, and you just want to get out of the place. So it came to a point where I told my partner, this is not for me.
Yeah.
I have put 2 years of my life
Mm.
in this in a situation na parang pinagbigyan kita.
Mm.
So it's either I leave,
Mm.
we can still be partners, but I cannot live
With
With
that
them.
person.
with them.
Mm.
Ganun na siya. Parang
Grabe,
may
umabot talaga
ultima, may ganun na siya.
Yeah.
And of course, my partner stayed with me. Pero
Mm.
ganun na siya. Ganun siya
Yeah.
ka-heavy. Ganun
Yeah.
siya kabigat na parang I couldn't, my mind, I was going insane. Kasi I was heavily, brutally damaged at work.
Mm.
And then pagka-uwi ko,
It's the
ganun
same
pa din.
thing, yes.
Wala nang
Yeah.
peace. So, yung first question niyo kung saan ba yung boundaries, can peace be
Compromise.
Can I say
Can you compromise your,
can I say peace would be my boundary? I couldn't
yeah,
find it,
that's right.
especially when you don't own your own place.
That's right. Especially with your own house, diba? Because that's your safe place.
Yeah.
You want it to be like at peace. Whenever you get home, yun yung
Relax.
rest, ano mo eh, home and then experiencing that.
Would you
Just wanna
still,
get out.
like, at the end of the day, would you still do it? Like, with a
Roll it
friend?
with another
Like,
person.
yeah, even though despite everything that we said, losing your
Mm.
peace,
Mm.
or losing your patience, with these people that you consider as
Mm.
friend, would you still do it to lend a helping hand? And what would you have done differently this time if you are to do it?
I think we get pushed by what's happening in the economy. Like rent is really high. So parang we have a space here. Like currently, me and my partner, there's a space here that no one's using. Might as well,
Get it rented.
get it rented.
Rented, yeah.
But at the same time, like there's so many things you have to consider. We don't want offense,
Mm.
or we want it to be someone we know. It's kind of complicated.
Like you're in the
and then
middle.
we wanted someone who would be comfortable
At least someone
with
you can
us,
trust.
and we could
You
be
already-
comfortable. Parang
Yeah.
sobrang daming
Mm.
consideration na parang ano nga ba talaga? Pero at the end of the day, currently, I would say kami ng partner ko, we want peace. We'd rather have
Yeah.
that.
I guess depending on the
Empty
priority
space.
that
Yeah.
Correct.
ano yung pinaka-ano mo, importante sa'yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because even without that, parang before, we actually had that space
Yeah.
free anyways. We helped.
Yeah.
I think also like knowing what we know now, you know what your limits are.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, like say for example, one of you guys needed a room, I would have told you like, okay, you can rent another room, but like I said, you have to set up the expectations and say it out loud and not expect them to know,
Yeah.
that
Hindi sila mahuhula.
hindi sila
Yeah.
mahuhula.
What can you say? What can you say?
Yeah, for 30 days. So you
Yeah.
have to
Yeah.
say, okay, I'm happy to help you out as an adult.
Mm.
Of course, I think everyone in this group would have understood when I said I'm happy to help you out, but I'm
Just
after
for a
a
certain
month,
period of
or
time.
maybe two at the most.
Set a
Yeah.
limit.
Hopefully you can find
Find another one.
You can find a place of your own, so we don't get into that situation
Yes.
where there is animosity.
Mm.
Animosity.
Bakit di
You develop-
Define.
you develop
Ano mo?
Sounds like a monster.
you develop that sense of annoyance.
Yeah.
exaggeration.
Yeah.
Wait, ano ba yung nakaka-annoy sa inyo? Ano yung, ano yung,
Sa-
ano
Mga pet-
yung mga,
pet
oo,
peeve.
pet
Mga
peeve
pet
nyo sa
peeve.
bahay
Pet
na,
peeve.
Sa bahay.
shock, hindi ko
Yeah.
na siya matake.
Ako kasi parabili ako ng mga ingredients sa bahay.
Mag-grocery ka.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I don't mind them using it as long as they replenish.
Mm.
Minsan ka parang, kasi ang mangyayari dyan, when I need it, I can't find
You
it.
do,
or I
yeah,
can't
that's
use
right.
it. That's
Yeah.
my only, like,
Pero okay lang sana kung pinapalitan niya.
yeah.
Okay lang gagawin mo.
Yeah.
Replenish yung paklatan mo. Like,
Mm.
uy,
Use
okay,
this.
ganun, one of my pet peeves
Yeah.
for sa bahay.
Ikaw ba?
Ikaw, Ber.
Ako ang cleaning na siguro. Yeah.
Pares tayo.
Yeah.
Kailangan
Yeah.
malinis.
Siguro sa akin, yung late, yung kailangan pang hindi na, like, kasi, okay lang ako na, I think si Baba yung more na, yung consumables, kailangan
Yeah, because
kailangan
they
palitan.
know
Malinis.
themselves.
Pero yung sa akin, yung timing ng benta, doon ako na, Oo, kasi parang,
You have
alam
to
mo yun,
remind them.
as an adult,
So,
kailangan
iniisip
mo,
ko, ano ba yung on time
Late.
na yun?
kailangan,
Uwi na ako.
oo, kahit hindi ka na umuwi, okay lang, basta magbayad ka on time.
Yeah.
Kaya alam mo yun,
Responsibility kasi yun.
it's also like you don't wanna try someone.
It's not
Yeah.
financially,
Yeah.
sense of responsibility.
Na parang,
Yeah.
am I not, parang siguro pino-personal ko yun nung kabataan ko. Pero am I not important enough na kailangan kong ipaalala sa'yo
Yeah.
na may responsibilidad ka sa ganito?
Yeah.
Understand that.
Yeah. Yun yung lahat tayo nagbabayad ng renta. Lahat tayo kailangan magbayad ng bills.
May
Di man,
deadline lang.
yes. Di man kami pero as an adult,
Yeah.
kailangan, okay, pumasok yung sweldo ko. Kailangan ko pala mabayad. Hindi yung kailangan ko pang i-message na, oy, nasaan na yung ganito.
yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
Spare,
Oo.
So parang spare me the
Yeah.
time of chasing you na dapat obligasyon mo na.
Yeah. Helping them out.
Yeah.
And now you feel like you're taking care of them.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't be that way.
I'm not here to parentify you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love
Oh, I
that
like
word.
that.
Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Sabi. Parentify.
Parentify.
Parang hindi ka
Nanay
maging...
mo.
Oo.
Pacify.
Ito.
Parentify.
Parentify.
Yes.
Kasi yung parent, kasi yung bata, kailangan ng pacifier.
Ikaw, Ben? Ano yung,
Ano?
oh my God. Ano ba sa'yo?
Yun lang, yung parang cleaning and everything.
Ikaw.
Yeah.
Ikaw pa.
Yeah.
Sa linis nga. Tsaka yung they could fed themselves. Naiinis kasi ako pag pati tissue paper hindi mo mabili parang sa mo, di ba? Parang it's your own hygiene stuff. Like, it's your
Yeah,
personal
correct.
stuff.
Yeah.
You have to look after yourself.
Pag may naisip ako, lalabas na lang natin.
Specifically yung countertop.
Kaya mo yun.
Yeah. Yeah, countertop. Yeah.
I want my countertop to be
Clear.
there's nothing there.
Pagtapos na,
Pag
gamit.
sa lahat, you have to
Linis.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Tapos may kita ko minsan may bag doon. May
Yeah.
ano,
Yeah.
Dumping ground.
Dumping
ground.
ground. Yeah.
And for me, parang it's a symbol of my entire house.
Yeah.
If your countertop is dirty, I feel like the
Your
entire
mind.
place
And your mind.
Yeah.
dirty na.
Yeah.
So I
You
mean
get
like,
fixed to
for
it. Like,
me, if
Mm.
ako mag-isa, okay. Pero kapag may kasama ako ibang tao, I make sure that the countertop is clean. I make sure that everything is wiped down.
Away.
Import.
Yeah.
Pero kung wala kasama, okay lang ako. Okay.
Yeah.
Kung ikaw lang mag-isa dun sa bahay,
Yeah.
and I'm not home, that's fine. I don't care.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. Kung may mapapayo kayo for someone na thinking to mag-parent ng group, ano yung isang, sa one sentence, ano yung mapapayo someone?
Don't do it!
Yeah. Set limitations.
Okay.
Mm.
Clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go, Pen.
Don't do it. Charis.
Set boundaries.
Mm.
If you want to do it, set boundaries.
Mm.
Yeah. Like, list down things
It's so
that you, paano ba?
It
Medyo
sounds very
mahirap.
controlling,
It does.
but if you actually put it in paper, then there's no argument further ahead.
Pero,
Let's try.
I don't think that's controlling. Kasi, di ba, kaya nga tayo dito sa Australia, for everyone's awareness, kailangan may rental agreement, kailangan may
contract.
Yeah.
kailangan ano. Pero I think sa atin, umaabot sa kaibigan kita, kakilala kita, kaya blurred na yung lines ngayon. Parang, okay
There's
na,
a fine
hindi
line
na.
between
Oo,
friends.
Yeah.
hindi na. Ano, pero, actually, kahit sino, at least, kailangan malinaw, may itemize na mga bagay na, okay, ito, responsibility mo to, ito, okay na. Parang ganun.
Yeah. So you have to know what you want from them.
Parang layer cards.
Yeah.
Layer cards.
Play a card. Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think kung one line, kailangan i-focus on the behavior and not the person. Kasi,
That's very
I like
true.
that.
kasi nakakatakot na kaibigan mo yun eh. Kakilala mo yun or
Yeah.
you know, you had
Good
you had
relationship
a
with
good
them. That's why you let
relationship.
them in your
Yes,
Yeah.
before.
Twice talaga.
Yeah.
If you
That's
are
nice. I like that.
like
Mm.
stable,
Ano yun ulit?
and that's what I see a lot in this like experience that we've had. That it was so hard to separate that person from your experience with
That's
them,
right.
from their behavior.
Like
Yeah.
it's
That you
one
end up hurting, or you actually end up like seeing that person as very negative, or
Very
very
Yeah.
like which we should not. Because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, you're friends with them because they're good people.
Yeah.
I won't be saying that
Mm.
I befriended you. Tapos I know that for a fact na you're not a good person.
Yeah.
You befriended them because you know they're good. Essentially,
That's right.
you know. But when you have that sort of experience with them, it was so hard to separate your experience.
Yes, yeah, with the friendship.
That's
stuff.
that's a
Yeah.
really good
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
fault.
And yeah.
Can you still be friends with that person
Yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
I think with one of the guys that I shared a house with, I think there was enough damage to think that we cannot stand each other.
Yeah.
But for the sake of friendship, we can say hi, hello, and have a
Be
conversation.
casual.
Every once in a while, yeah.
Yeah. Do you think time can
I
help in the process of you like not really forgiving? I don't think there's anything to forgive because that person did not actually intentionally hurt you. Unless they did, then that's the time you actually ask for forgiveness.
It's it looked personal. No, like forgiveness, definitely. Time does play a big part in forgiveness. Forgetfulness too. Nakakalimutan ko yung mga ginagawa na. Hindi. But yes. Pero from how many years na? Ganun pa rin yung ano namin. Ganun pa rin yung parang kilala namin isa't isa. Parang
It sticks. Yeah.
mas
Okay.
hindi maganda yung relationship.
Yeah.
Alam na namin. So,
Yeah.
we know how to play around, navigate. Kunyari sa social settings. Parang, how are you? Done.
That's it. Yeah.
That's it.
Casual.
Not to, alam mo yun, parang
You don't
get
engage
on
na.
each other's, tawag doon, no? Skin. Parang, kasi magsasabog. So, we navigate through, like, how to make the settings, like,
Yeah.
pretty alright.
Okay.
But yes, you can, friends.
Okay.
For me naman, diba? It ended up badly
Sabi.
for my experience.
Alin?
It ended
Bad.
up badly. Yeah, with the friendship. With the
Friends pa kayo?
No.
Not anymore because of that.
Yeah.
Oh, because also you moved.
I think it was yeah.
It was mainly what like, you know, the true colors of the person as well that actually like emerged from that conflicted. So
But I think like
Yeah.
if you had not been a housemate with him,
mm.
it would have not ended your friendship.
Yeah.
You know what
Yeah.
I mean?
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Like yeah.
With
It
people,
could actually,
you're
you know,
right, like if there is
yeah,
a separate
yeah,
relationship
yeah,
with them
yeah.
inside the house,
Yeah.
and then go out with them as a friend,
as a
always
friends, yeah.
that
Yeah.
this person
Oh, yeah,
made you today
yeah.
Yeah.
because of what they've done. or
They've
something.
done, yes, exactly. Yeah.
Mm.
You know, we've been traveling together before and everything.
Yeah.
Like going overseas and stuff. Like
So-
we were actually like really bonded. But
So you really have
because
to-
of what
Mhm.
happened, it actually like, you know, this, you know, not communication anymore, and
You really have
we
to
haven't-
see-
yeah, and we haven't really talked about it even like till now. Like you know,
Okay, so
yeah,
question.
Yeah.
Right. Remember I said like, okay, you have to set
Mm.
boundaries, you have to set
Mm.
expectations. If you would give each other, like for example, I'm gonna get you a place.
Mm.
How many months would you give me? To stick to you?
Ah! Kaya personal
Yeah, it's gonna
Yung personal
yeah.
Okay.
Until I think it's high time na umalis ka na.
Thank you so much, man. Isang bahay.
Ay, ito.
Each and every one of us.
Bigyan mo na kenta ng taloy. And then, by
Si Eloy, from the time today, puro lang siya tulong ng tulong sa akin. So, he can stay 6 months.
Ah!
I like that. I like that.
Di ba?
How about Maybelline?
Inmon na kayo kasi
Hindi mo maghihiwalay.
ako pa yung reason ng paghiwalay niya. 2 years. Alam mo kung bakit? Alam ko bakit? Kasi yung pantry malinis. Hindi ba meron ako organ? Gayon, 2 years.
Pwede kayo yung bad. So,
Yeah.
you do a day.
Last time.
Yeah. Si Brian.
Oh my God. Araw-araw na yan sa inyo eh.
Infinity. I know. Pero let's not go there. Sasabihin ko dada. I can't wait for us to live together. Pero let's not go there. Oo. Okay lang magkapit-bahay tayo. Zero.
Zero day.
Charing.
Ang hirap naman ito.
Oh.
Yeah. Si Ken, I'd like reciprocate the 6 months.
Very safe. Bawal sa jowa.
Si Babes and si Chef, 2 years din.
Gala ba? Mas bibili ako sa organize.
The organization skills. Oo.
Di ba tayong dalawa namin sa how organized service? Yeah.
Yung turmeric, parang bukas ko pa mahanap. Kita ko agad bukas ko.
Mas may pa-step ladder pa sila. Oo.
Tapos may childproof pa dun, hindi pa maabot yung air fryer. Air fryer.
Mainit.
Mainit.
Si Brian,
Ayan.
ADHD kami pareho ni Brian eh.
Oo.
Kailan ba? 6 months.
6 months.
Oo.
Matagal.
Oo, 6 months.
Bakit?
Ah?
Ba't 6 months?
6 months? Kasi feel ko medyo pag matagal-tagal, medyo clash kami sa ADHD pagkaganda ADHD namin.
Hindi ba tayo nakikita? Lagi tayong
Oo nga. Oo, ba? Sa'yo?
Taken na.
Ako kay Ken? Ken is such a good... Actually, dalawa...
Walang reason eh.
Wala yun sa news.
Oo, mabilis.
Huwag ka lang,
Oo,
huwag ka lang
mabilis lang.
hayaan mo sila. Oo ba?
Taon. I think sa akin lang dalawa dahil magaling silang magluto.
Oo, yeah.
Yeah.
At cleaning, tapos organize. Sorry.
Yung organize, hindi ako sure. Yung sexy mas na sinasabi ko kasi, parang feeling ko, maayos yung
Masaya yung...
Yeah.
6 months na yun.
Yeah.
Pero kasi I know you guys want your own.
Yeah.
So I want
Yeah.
At
Ganon.
least a year. I think at least a year. A year.
Yeah, years.
Lumupusog ka sa akin.
Tumaba kami.
Yeah.
Feeling ko, sabi ng partner ko, napapasarap ko talaga yung luto.
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
I treat
Love.
In all fairness, nakabili na ako, dinalan ko kayo nung
Ay, sorry.
nung bread.
Oh.
Anyways,
Okay.
go ahead, sorry.
Yun yung reason ko. I think pareho sila na 1 year. More than a year. Kay Brian. Magkaugali po kami ni Brian.
Yeah. Yeah.
Magkaugali po kami. Baka hindi po tumagal ang isang linggo.
Nag-clash agad.
Pero malinis po ako sa countertop.
Kung abot,
Sa'yo na yun.
Oo.
So, ayun.
Okay.
Ikaw?
And I'll do the same. Siguro 2 years. Kay Ken
Yeah.
kay ano.
Yeah.
2 years.
Kaloy. Parang kaya. Kaya na si Jordan.
Okay.
Taon talaga. Pag
Taon.
ditong site,
Oo.
medyo
Kay
taon.
Brian siguro mga
Is ka na.
Yeah, feeling ko kasi opposite kami ni Brian.
Hindi ko kaya tumagal.
oo nga. Nagpatuloy sa pangamba. Kaya sinasabi niya, huwag na kayo magbigay ng reason kasi malalaman niya.
Hindi ko ako isang taon. Na-taste naman natin. No, yun.
Hindi mo isang taon yun.
Last yan. Oo, last
Ano dati?
year.
Kaya.
At saka ang gusto ko kasi kay Brian, pagkasama mo sa bahay, he's minding his own business. Which is, I want. Kasi you have your own thing. Dito. Oh,
Wow.
Sige.
So,
Parang he's doing his own thing and he's not gonna like, he doesn't care.
No, but he's
Yeah.
also very considerate.
He also considerate, yeah.
Katapos sabihin 2 weeks. Ang palunod-loob.
Ugali ko. Ugali namin.
Parehas kasi kayo, magka-clash kayo.
Mag-clash kayo.
Pero like, cleanliness, yung sa bahay, pag-ayos ng bills, I
Yeah.
think,
Yeah.
also magkapareho din kami. So,
it work
it
out. I
will
think.
work yung sa part na yun. Ugali lang. Ugali
Yeah.
lang. Pag sila, ako, alis.
Okay, din. Sililipad ka sa akin. Yeah, Brian style.
Okay. Ako, ang just din ng filter.
Oo, go for it.
Siguro sila nabilig ng shot nila because we stayed. Actually, in the 2
Yeah.
months that we stayed together, there wasn't any...
Nothing at
2 months
all.
lang yun?
2 months.
Two,
Two months, like,
2 months, yeah.
Oo,
Tagal naman
pagbalik
eh.
mo ng,
Yeah.
yeah, borderline ng,
And we were sharing, like the 4 of
A
us were sharing
room.
the same bed.
yes,
So, 2 months we didn't have any,
at all.
we didn't have any clash.
Actually, so, iangat na natin ng 2 months.
Even so, siguro I can, I don't want to, ano to, I don't wanna overreach it. So, siguro
Yeah.
mga 3 months.
Okay.
Mga 3 months.
Direct, I guess
Ito, Lloyd.
direct
Okay. Ito, Lloyd, because
Go.
I've been a housemate with
Yeah.
you in the past,
Yeah.
and we both know that we're not gonna be at home
Yeah.
all the
Yeah.
time. I think I could tolerate it longer.
Yeah.
Not tolerate you.
Yeah.
It is
yeah,
no
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Mga
Yeah. Yeah.
So 3 months and 1 week.
Yeah, 3 months and 1 week.
6 months.
Ah, sige. Sige.
Hey, Ken! I know for a fact that mag-aaway ko. Day one! Mag-aaway kami nito. Even though he's like, to be honest, among the 4 of you guys, he's
Yeah.
probably the perfect house.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we have a lot of things in common.
Mm.
Like our friends, the things that we do. I think we would laugh the lot, the shortest because there's a lot of things that can actually trigger
Clash.
Yeah.
that can yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
So siguro mga 30 minutes.
Oh my God! Dinner lang, ganyan.
Yung in-invite niya ako kagabi, gusto ko nang...
Oh, okay.
I knew it. Siguro mga siguro we can live up to 3 months.
3 months?
3 or 2 months.
Ah,
Na hindi,
okay.
na hindi mag-away, na hindi
Yeah.
Yeah.
For that.
without, if I'm just
ano.
honest.
Mm.
You guys gave me the short
Ulit notice. Ano sa gamit siya?
Sabi mo kasi walang filter eh.
So before we end it,
Before we end it.
before we end
Di ba masakit?
Legenda quick start, so we'll choose between the 2 options. So we'll
Ah,
start with you.
yeah.
Borrow or ask first?
So,
First.
Dirty dishes overnight, yes or no?
Mm. To me? No.
Shoes on or off inside the house?
Off.
Okay, si Kaloy.
mm.
Loud music or loud phone calls?
Loud music.
Loud
Loud phone calls.
phone calls. Loud music.
Loud music.
Yeah.
Text or face-to-face confrontation?
Was that
Oh,
sorry?
that's a good
Text
question.
or face-to-face confrontation?
Oh, face-to-face confrontation.
Really?
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Share food or label everything?
Yeah.
I like that question.
Yeah. Huh?
Quick
Quick fire, sorry.
Bilis.
Kaya na pala. Share.
Share.
Yeah. I like to
Ikaw
share.
Hi.
Okay.
Clean as you go or cleaning day?
Cleaning day. Kasi busy yung tao
Okay. Unannounced guest, okay or not okay?
Okay. Kasi okay ako sa tao. Madaming visitors.
Oh, my
Yeah.
listening.
Aircon on all night or save electricity?
Oh my God. Kung
Mainit.
Ang dami aircon!
Oh,
all night or save electricity?
save electricity.
Okay. Ikaw. Early bird or night owl housemate?
Night out.
Group chat for issues or private conversation?
Hindi ko rin maintindihan.
Group chat or sa issues or private conversation? What's one thing a housemate could never touch?
Night out.
Parang partner mo, sabi mo, you can only
Yeah.
your partner, tapos you can touch.
Touch me.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. We can end the